In this video, we durability test the Arrma Kraton. Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Guys, in this video we're going to take the Arrma Kraton 6S to the skate park to do a durability test. By the way, this is in bog standard form as it left the factories, absolutely no modifications. Alright, let's go. Body kit came out, that's alright, we can put that back in. Tumble wumble! Oh, it takes it! Oh! Oh! What happened, Stephen? Broken. Ah. Yes, it. Oh, there it is. Ah, there you go. Hey!
Yeah, no problems.
It took it so far, didn't it?
There's some wheel nut as well.
Hey! What S are you on, Stephen?
Only 3.
When in doubt, air it out.
It will go up.
Oh, did it land on the nose?
Yeah, it's all right.
Is it working still, is it? Oh, it's alive.
Yeah, it takes dirty landings quite well.
Oh, butt landing. Oh, pop the body off. What? What happened? The body pin popped through the body. Oh, that went high. Oh!
That just about went round.
Oh! Oh, the body shell's getting wrecked.
Here he is.
Oh, what happened, Stephen?
Oh.
I think when the chassis. Oh, it's trashed the body, look. The body's trashed already, man. That's the first weak spot. The body just gets it. I think it's where the chassis is flexing so much.
Yeah, look, it's actually pushed right back to there.
Take the body off and have a look. I wonder if the chassis is bent.
Might be.
Not around here.
The braces aren't snapped, but...
Oh yeah, chassis bent. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, that's fully bent.
Here.
Look at the state of that.
Here's one.
You know what that means, don't you?
It's gonna get it.
Oh, put your body back on, Stephen. Oh, we made it over that.
Houston, we have a problem. Wah, wah, wah.
I don't know why it keeps losing because it's got a serrated edge on there.
Yeah.
But they keep falling off.
We might need to get some nylon ones as well.
Maybe. Alright, the body's trash, so we'll try it without. Oh! Oh! It sounds broken. What's happened? Oh, just the motor moved. Oh look, front drive shaft's bent.
Oh, that is majorly bent now.
What is it?
It's majorly bent.
So, initial thoughts. Overall, it seems very durable. It handles well, it jumps well, it's easy to control it in the air. I'm happy overall, but the chassis is, I think, a major weak spot. Look at that. Completely and utterly bent. If you put a straight edge along that, you can see. Look at that, it's touching in the middle. Oh my God, look, it's bent the front and the rear. In the rear, it's actually bent it in two places. Look, it's bent it there and there. And on the front, it's bent it there. It's actually distorted the whole entire chassis. Apparently, these are a weak spot, but I haven't broken these yet. What I've seen some people do, they put a metal brace across here. They put it from the tower to the tower. So I'm going to have a little experimentation and try and do something like that onto this. And I got that idea from Richard Super Bash or Super Dash, whatever. Check out his channel. He airs these things out. He really hammers hard on these things. And because of the chassis bending so much, look at the body. It's completely destroyed it. It's just ripped these holes out all the way around, look. The only other issue, the wheels kept falling off. And I'm kind of thinking what was happening. I really did do them up tight. I mean, they definitely weren't loose. I think what was happening was that they were slipping on the hexes and winding off the nuts. So, maybe it's going to need some better wheels in future. Overall, really happy with it. I mean, it is really good. It does jump well. It handles well. It just needs a few little modifications just to make it a little bit more durable. Do I prefer it to the E-Revo? I honestly haven't played with it long enough yet to know. I mean, if I'm honest, the E-Revo probably took the beating a little bit better on the first outing. And the E-Revo, I would say, as stock form, has probably got a stronger chassis. And I would say that this is probably, without, I've got to test it more, but I'll probably say that that's probably got stronger suspension. And after I've done a few upgrades, then, I don't know, I'm gonna be completely unbiased. I'm not sort of loyal to Traxxas or anybody else. I'm actually going to tell you guys what I actually think from my own personal experiments, not from what I've seen in forums, not from other people's videos, from my own personal experience. So guys, if you want to see more stuff in action for this thing, give me some note in the comments down below what you want me to see. And so yeah, for that guys, that's it for this video. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, bell button, you know what you got to do. See you soon, bye.